Is this thing on? Oh, hey guys, I'm the Romano Show helper, and today we're gonna try and guess the color of what's inside this thing. Okay? Alright, well, let's get to it. Alright, play. Alright, let's see what it is. Wow, we got a lot of challenges here. Okay, I think it's orange. Yeah, oh, come on now, it has to be orange. What? It has to be black. I think it's black.
No! Why? It's blue! No! No! Come on!
I think it's green.
I think it's blue! It's blue, come on! No! I think it's green! No! Okay! I think it's black! Okay? Orange was wrong the last time, I think it's black. I think it's white. Come on now. Blue or black? I think it's blue. Come on now. That's blue. No! What? Come on. I think it's blue.
Come on. It's gotta be blue. That's blue, right?
Oh, come on! Why? I think it's brown. Come on. It's gotta be brown.